Alright, welcome back everybody. Today we are going to be replacing a evaporator fan motor. It's that thing back there that blows onto the cooling coils and cools the entire refrigerator. Alright, once you remove the drawers, you have to take this bottom rail out because otherwise you can't take the back plate out without doing so. And to do that, there are 6 screws, 3 on each side. You just have to loosen them. You don't have to take them out completely. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I neglected to mention 2 more screws. Hitting right here, you have to close the drawer sliders. There's 1 screw in there. Another one in there. These 2 have to come out completely. Alright, I'll just illustrate right now. There. Once you have the drawers taken out, these are, I'm not sure what size they are, but if you take your bit head off of your screwdriver, they fit perfectly. Just attach these screws. And the back plate will be off. Now, on the left-hand side of this panel, there are 2 grounding wires that's tethered to the plate, so you have to kind of swing it out. And they swing it out from the right-hand side. All right, I'm gonna illustrate the swing out. And there are the 2 ground wires tethered. Once everything's removed, you still have 2 more of those screws up there. Take the fan plate off. Oh no. Oh no. Did I drop it in there? Oh, dang it. I think I dropped it in the... Oh, anyway, so be sure not to do that. Alright, and this just presses out and swings outward. It's a harness that's attached. Squeeze on the tab and pull. There. We're just going to replace the fan, and hopefully it'll be good to go. Alright, now we're going to unseat the fan from the harness. Kind of push up against one side so it'll release. Push in right here in the middle. So I can release it. Now the fan blade will just come off. Exert a little bit of force. Now I'm going to use the base as leverage. Design's a little bit different. Take the gaskets off. It's the stopper. Gasket. I think it goes without saying that before you attempt all of this, unplug the refrigerator. All right, never work with a live setup. You're just asking for trouble if you do that. We're going to reinsert the fan back onto the bracket. It's one side. It's the other side. And that's it. Now it sits on hooks like this, so make sure your harness is facing the right direction. Mine was towards the left-hand side. Restore the fan. We'll plug it back in. We're good to go. All right, we just turned on the refrigerator, and before putting all the shelving back, we wanted to test it to make sure it works. And the activation switch is actually over here. So if we press it in, you'll see that the fan now works. So this refrigerator is fixed. All right, I hope this video helped you. Good luck.